Welcome back, my wonderful members. We are here today with Mr. Bill O'Dell, and we are making the Chocolate Mint Delight. Mr. O'Dell is our winner of our cocktail crafting contest, the after dinner drinks, and he came up with a lovely recipe that I believe you are going to enjoy. I'm going to throw it over to you, Bill, and take it away.
Thank you, Landy. This is a drink I've been making for a while. We've had big family Christmas parties, and I've enjoyed doing this for my nieces and nephews, and everyone says, wow, this is great. So it's a very simple drink. It's easy to make, and something that I think everyone will enjoy. It's equal parts of Bailey's, Kahlua, and peppermint schnapps. Now the trick to this is to get it nice and frothy. So you'll want to take a little shaker, fill it with ice, and you have your chilled martini glass.
This looks wonderful.
Okay, and give it a good hard shake. You really want to get some frothiness in this thing. As someone once said, wow, it's like a chocolate milkshake.
It looks like it for adults.
Now, the secret ingredient is to take some Oreo cookies and smash those, and then you just put a little small bit of the Oreo right on top, and you can see what that does. And there you have it, the Chocolate Mint Delight, which is a lovely after dinner drink. It settles your stomach, gives you a little bit of flavor, and it's very enjoyable.
Well, come on down to the Rookery and try the Chocolate Mint Delight, specialty of Mr. Bill O'Dell. We will be featuring it here for the next few weeks, but I look forward to your submissions for our classic cocktail crafting contest. Those recipes need to be submitted by February 22nd. And we will feature those drinks in the beginning of March. So, happy pouring, everyone.